Hello, my friends. This is Dr. Alan Mandell. As we get older, many of us start to notice small changes. Maybe our memory isn't as sharp as it used to be, or our eyes get tired more easily, especially at night. It's easy to think this is just part of aging, but the truth is, our bodies are still capable of healing and rebuilding, even in our later years. The secret lies in how we take care of them, especially at night. That's why today, I want to talk to you about something very simple but incredibly powerful: 3 dry fruits that can improve your memory, sharpen your vision, and keep your brain strong, all while you rest at night. Each one carries natural compounds that your body recognizes and uses for repair. Together, they form one of the most powerful combinations nature has ever created for brain and eye health. Before we start, I'd love to know, where are you watching from today? Just drop your state or city in the comments below. And if you have any natural health tips of your own, feel free to share those too. Someone else might really benefit from hearing what's worked for you. Dry fruit 1, walnuts for memory and sleep support. Let's start with one of nature's most remarkable gifts, the walnut. Have you ever noticed how a walnut looks almost like a tiny human brain? That's not a coincidence. For centuries, people have believed that foods resembling certain parts of the body are often beneficial for those very areas. And modern science confirms it. Walnuts are one of the best natural foods you can eat to support your brain, your memory, and even your sleep. Walnuts are rich in healthy fats called omega-3 fatty acids. These are the same kinds of fats found in fish, and they are essential for brain health. Your brain is made up of nearly 60% fat, and the type of fat you eat directly affects how your brain functions. Omega-3s keep your brain cells flexible and strong, helping them communicate clearly with one another. When this communication improves, so does memory, focus, and mental sharpness. That's why people who eat walnuts regularly often notice that their thinking feels clearer and their recall is quicker. But the benefits don't stop there. Walnuts are also packed with antioxidants, natural compounds that fight the damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can harm your cells, including the delicate ones in your brain and eyes. Over time, this damage can lead to memory decline and faster aging of brain tissue. The antioxidants in walnuts act like tiny bodyguards, protecting your brain from this harm and keeping it younger for longer. Another powerful nutrient in walnuts is vitamin E, which works like a protective coat around your nerve cells. It helps prevent them from wearing down and keeps your mind sharp as you age. Research has shown that people who get more vitamin E in their diet often perform better on memory and mental function tests. So, by adding just a few walnuts to your evening routine, you're giving your brain exactly what it needs to stay healthy and alert. And here's something many people don't realize: walnuts also contain melatonin, the natural hormone that helps your body fall asleep. When you eat them in the evening, they can gently boost your melatonin levels, helping you relax and drift into a deeper, more peaceful sleep. That deep sleep is when your brain does its real repair work, cleaning out toxins, strengthening connections, and storing memories. Dry fruit 2, almonds for eye health and nerve protection. Now let's talk about another incredible gift from nature, the almond. For generations, almonds have been known as a food for sharp minds and strong eyes. In many cultures, parents used to give their children soaked almonds in the morning to help them study better and stay focused. And even though those old traditions might sound simple, science today proves they were absolutely right. Almonds are packed with nutrients that your brain and eyes depend on every single day. One of the most important is vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage. Think of it like a shield. Just as metal rusts when exposed to air, our body's cells can also rust from something called oxidative stress. Vitamin E in almonds prevents this damage, especially in delicate areas like your eyes and nerves. It protects the retina, the light-sensitive part of your eye, and helps slow down age-related vision problems like cataracts or macular degeneration. Almonds also contain riboflavin, vitamin B2, and L-carnitine, two nutrients that many people overlook but are incredibly important for brain and eye function. Riboflavin helps your body convert food into energy, which is vital for brain performance. Remember, your brain is always working, even while you sleep, and it uses about 20% of your body's total energy. L-carnitine, on the other hand, keeps your nerve cells healthy and supports the smooth transfer of signals between your brain and body. Together, these nutrients keep your mind sharp and your eyes alert. Another reason almonds are so valuable is because they contain magnesium, a mineral that helps calm the nervous system. As we get older, many of us struggle with stress or restless sleep. Magnesium helps your muscles relax and tells your body it's time to rest. When combined with the natural nutrients of almonds, it promotes better sleep, steadier moods, and more peaceful nights. And here's something important: almonds release energy slowly. That means they don't cause sudden spikes or drops in blood sugar, which can interrupt sleep or make you feel tired the next day. Instead, they give your body a steady stream of energy through the night, helping your brain continue its quiet repair work while you sleep. To get the most benefit, soak your almonds overnight and peel off their brown skin before eating. The soaking process makes them easier to digest and helps your body absorb their nutrients better. Just 4 or 5 soaked almonds. Figs also help improve blood circulation. They contain natural compounds that help relax and widen blood vessels, allowing more oxygen and nutrients to reach your brain and eyes. This steady blood flow is what keeps your memory sharp and your vision strong. Poor circulation, on the other hand, can make the mind feel foggy and the eyes tired. A couple of figs before bedtime can help support smooth circulation naturally. And let's not forget the antioxidants in figs, powerful compounds that fight inflammation and slow down the aging process. These antioxidants repair damaged cells, protect your brain from memory loss, and keep your eyesight resilient. Over time, this gentle repair work adds up, helping you feel more awake, focused, and refreshed each morning. The powerful nighttime synergy of walnuts, almonds, and figs. Each of these dry fruits carries unique nutrients that feed your body from the inside out. But when you combine them, something even more extraordinary happens: their benefits multiply. This natural teamwork is called synergy, and it's one of the most beautiful examples of how nature designs foods to work together for your good health. Walnuts, almonds, and figs complement one another perfectly. Think of walnuts as the builder, almonds as the protector, and figs as the energizer. Each plays its role in nourishing your brain, calming your nerves, improving circulation, and protecting your eyes while you sleep. Walnuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, the same healthy fats that make up a large part of your brain. These fats strengthen brain cells and improve communication between them, making memory sharper and thought clearer. They also contain antioxidants and vitamin E, which protect your neurons from aging and damage. On top of that, walnuts naturally carry melatonin, the hormone that helps you fall asleep peacefully. Almonds bring a different kind of support. They're loaded with vitamin E, magnesium, and riboflavin, nutrients that nourish the eyes and nerves while calming the mind. Magnesium relaxes your muscles and nervous system, preparing you for deeper rest. The vitamin E in almonds protects delicate eye tissues and helps prevent dryness, cataracts, and vision fatigue. When eaten regularly, almonds support steady energy, clear focus, and calmer sleep. Figs, the sweet and soft fruit of healing, provide vitamin A, potassium, and magnesium, essential for proper nerve function, circulation, and relaxation. They feed the retina, improve blood flow to the brain and eyes, and supply slow-releasing natural sugars that keep your brain gently energized through the night. Figs also contain powerful antioxidants that fight inflammation and oxidative stress, keeping your brain and vision young and strong. When all three of these come together, they cover nearly every nutrient your brain and eyes need to repair and regenerate through the night. Walnuts build, almonds protect, and figs energize, forming a complete circle of nourishment. How they improve circulation and sleep. One of the most important effects of this trio is improved blood circulation. Good circulation is the foundation of healthy aging, especially for the brain and eyes. Walnuts help blood vessels stay flexible, almonds keep artery walls strong, and figs promote smoother, more efficient blood flow. This means that even while you're asleep, oxygen and nutrients continue to reach your brain and eyes, fueling their repair and preventing damage caused by poor circulation. Better circulation also means better focus, memory, and visual clarity. Many age-related issues, such as memory loss or weakened eyesight, begin when blood flow slows down. By supporting the heart and arteries, these dry fruits keep that flow steady and strong. They also play a major role in improving sleep quality. Walnuts naturally support melatonin production, helping you fall asleep more easily and stay asleep longer. Almonds calm the nervous system through magnesium, reducing nighttime anxiety or restlessness. Figs balance blood sugar, preventing the sudden energy drops that can wake you up in the middle of the night. Together, they help you enter deep, uninterrupted sleep, the kind of sleep that allows the body to truly restore itself. Why nighttime is the perfect time? Nighttime is when your body focuses on repair instead of activity. During sleep, your brain activates the glymphatic system, a natural cleaning network that removes waste and toxins that accumulate throughout the day, including beta-amyloid, a protein linked to memory loss and Alzheimer's disease. The omega-3s from walnuts, magnesium from almonds, and potassium from figs all help this cleansing process work efficiently. At the same time, your neurons, the brain's communication cells, undergo restoration. They rebuild their protective layers using vitamin E and antioxidants from these dry fruits, ensuring smoother and faster signal transmission. This is why, when you nourish your body correctly at night, you often wake up feeling more focused and mentally clear. The eyes also go through a nightly reset. They rest, repair, and strengthen after long hours of visual activity. Vitamin A from figs supports the retina, vitamin E from almonds reduces oxidative stress, and polyphenol from walnuts help protect eye tissues from damage. Over time, this consistent nourishment helps prevent age-related vision decline and keeps your eyes comfortable and bright. Another reason nighttime is so powerful is the way the body's circulation adjusts during rest. Even though you're not moving, your organs still need oxygen and nutrients. Walnuts keep your blood vessels flexible, almonds protect your arteries, and figs keep blood moving smoothly, ensuring every part of your body gets what it needs to heal. So, when you combine these 3 dry fruits in the evening, you're syncing with your body's natural rhythm. You're giving it the right tools at the exact time it needs them most. How to eat them for maximum benefit. To get the most from these dry fruits, timing, preparation, and consistency matter. Timing: the best time to eat them is in the evening, about 1 to 2 hours before bed. This allows your body to begin digesting them so their nutrients are available during deep sleep, when your repair systems are most active. Quantity: remember, you don't need a lot. These are powerful, nutrient-dense foods, so a small handful is plenty. The perfect portion is 3 to 4 walnuts, 4 to 5 soaked almonds, 1 to 2 figs. That's all your body needs for a full night of nourishment. Preparation: almonds should be soaked overnight and peeled before eating. Their outer brown skin contains tannins that block nutrient absorption. Soaking makes them easier to digest and unlocks their nutrients. Figs can be eaten dried or soaked in warm water for about 20 to 30 minutes to make them softer and sweeter. Walnuts can be eaten raw or soaked briefly to remove bitterness and improve digestion. Avoid salted or sugar-coated versions, as added ingredients reduce their healing effects. Combination: you can eat them plain, or enjoy them with a small cup of warm milk or caffeine-free herbal tea before bed. This makes a calming nighttime ritual that relaxes your mind and prepares your body for rest. Avoid heavy meals. Don't eat these fruits right after a large or oily dinner. When your body is busy digesting heavy food, it can't fully absorb the nutrients from the dry fruits. For best results, keep them as your main bedtime snack, light, pure, and nourishing. Consistency: the biggest secret is to do it every night. Healing is a gentle, gradual process. You might not see changes in a few days, but within weeks and months, you'll begin to notice real results: deeper sleep, better focus, clearer vision, and a calmer mind. Like watering a plant daily, these small acts of care add up to something truly life-changing. My friends, I want to leave you with something simple but powerful to remember. Your body is far wiser than you may realize. Even at an older age, it never stops trying to repair itself, to stay strong, to protect you. Every heartbeat, every breath, every night of rest, your body is quietly working to keep you healthy. All it needs from you is a little help. So tonight, before you go to bed, skip the heavy snacks or late-night sweets. Instead, reach for a few walnuts, a few soaked almonds, and 1 or 2 figs. Sit quietly, take a deep breath, and remind yourself, this small choice is an act of love for your body. You're giving your brain the power to restore itself, your eyes the strength to see clearly, and your nerves the calm to rest peacefully. Your health has always been in your hands. And sometimes, all it takes is something as simple as a handful of nature's gifts before bedtime to bring back the vitality you thought you had lost. Stay healthy, stay strong, and may each night bring you the healing and peace your body truly deserves.